Alright, so some of the great benefits about MCA. I mentioned the prescription, dental, and vision earlier in the video. Alright, right here. You got the camera guy? Perfect. Alright, and some other ones, the other great benefits are you get roadside service 24/7, you know. So if you have children or family, any type of, you can just put them on as well. And it's a great service to have, like I mentioned earlier. You also have emergency roadside assistance if you had a boat trailer or RV, motorcycle, dually, or livestock trailer, if that applies to you. Alright, you also have $500 travel interruption assistance if you're involved in an accident of, say, more than 50 miles from your house, or car rental from an accident close to their home, etc., etc. You're covered, $500, alright? You got trip planning. They help you plan your trips. They give you a lot of great benefits. They give you a lot of recommendations on where to go, what to do, what to see. All right. You have $25,000 in bonds, bail bonds. You have $2,000 to defend you for lawyer fees, etc. All right. You've got $500 stolen vehicle reward. All right. You have $1,000 credit card protection, which is real good if you shop online a lot, use your credit card a lot anywhere. It's a real good thing to have. It's a real plus. You have $500 in rewards if anything happens to your farm equipment, and if you have a farm, which a lot of people don't, but that's fine. You have prescription drug, vision, and dental discounts, as I mentioned here in this card right here. All right, you have $500 for emergency room benefits. All right, you gotta go to the ER. Something critical has happened. You got $500 there covered. All right, you got over $54,000 in covered hospital benefits total. Total hospital benefits, $54,000. Wow. All right, and you got a $10,000 accidental death benefit. All right, if somebody dies, basically you get $10,000. Someone in your family or so. It's a great thing to do. And plus you have an additional $50,000 death benefit onto that. It's crazy. This is a lot of great benefits. You get all this for $19.95 a month. All right, $40 to start, which covers the 2 months. All right, this is a great thing to have. This is the benefits alone are over so much money, and all you're doing is paying $19.95 a month to keep the service going. Come on, guys. It's crazy. It's a service you need to have anyway. It's a must-have service. All right, you need this service to have. It's perfect. All right, so to get started, I have the link below. Just follow the description. And if you have any questions, you can text me at 407-721-3773. All right, again, that's 407-721-3773. All right, thank you.